Welcome to Welcome to the Cape Town family, guys. The Cape Town family, today we decided to go out a bit. We are actually in the city of Kuala Lumpur, guys. The plate number 376. The city of Kuala Lumpur, guys. Right, as you can see here is where we live. Right, and then as you can see here, such a beautiful area. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. As you can see.
I don't know.
2 minutes away. Beautiful place, guys. Beautiful place. All right? Beautiful place. As you can see. Beautiful place. This is such a beautiful place, guys. You know, sometimes it's good to travel. You are able to see places, you know. This will be my thumbnail. It is very good, guys. If you want to do a thumbnails, I'm just giving you advice. Don't steal other people's thumbnails. Don't go out there to Google and take. I used to do that as well. I used to take other people's thumbnails. Go to Google and copy. So what you do, if you see a place that you love so much, you hold your camera like this for up to a maximum of about 1 minute. 34 minutes, 35 to 40 minutes. So sorry, 35 seconds to 1 minute, right? Then this will be your thumbnail, right? So you can choose any place you want, and you keep it the camera like this, right? Like this, just to make sure. Even if it moves okay, but don't move too much, just like that. And the YouTube will capture it as a thumbnail. All right, guys. So I'm just giving you a glimpse of how we're supposed to be taking videos, right? So this is my family, the Cape Town family. This is my daughter. She's nice. She's looking nice, and so forth. And yeah, this is my wife. She's looking nice as well. All right, the Cape Town family. Now sit and relax. That's where we are. Right. Okay. Right. My boy. Right. Let's see my boys here.
You guys want to see me?
We're gonna see you.
We have to see you.
Uh-huh.
No.
Right. We're continuing, guys. We're continuing. Babe, now that video mo hopola mo holo ona rile mo bon. Holo. Are we taking a taxi now?
Yeah, you like this one?
How much? 11. Can you buy for me?
Yeah, bring it.
5 ringgit. I don't have. Yeah, 1. Yeah, go high. No, I've been always looking for it. You need that side. Open. Don't worry. I'm going to get it off fire. Guys, don't do that to me.
No, I need a space.
What did I do?
I need a space.
I wanted my food. You see now, I've got my food now. You see now, I've got my food. Yeah, my thought. Look, baby, I've got my food. Yeah.